2016 Honda Odyssey EXL, Braunability, power side entry, handicap wheelchair conversion van. It is a power fold out side entry ramp, dual side entry power doors. Extremely nice, clean Carfax, rust free, beautiful van. Gorgeous condition all the way around. Is a fold out, 69,000 miles, super clean navigation sunroof all the way around, super nice. We have serviced and maintained this vehicle when it came in. No issues, no stories with it. It's a non-smoker. Comes with Q-strength tie-down retractors inside, dual power side entry doors. Got your Q-strength tie-downs, extra seat belt, fully loaded leather navigation backup camera, sunroof, loaded out, very, very clean inside. It's what we do. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. We've been in business 48 years. We're happy to help you at any time. Feel free to reach out to us. We are a Braunability authorized dealer and service center. So we can do any adaptive controls, hand controls, seating options, tie downs, easy locks, Q locks, anything you might need extra added to a van or modified, we can do that as well. Again, we are authorized service center and dealer to do any of those modifications that you may need. Does have the power up and down lift gate, so makes it very easy to use this van. It's beautiful condition all the way around. A couple little marks in and around the van just from normal wear and tear, but overall it is very nice and clean. It's not stained up anywhere. It does have a hard rubber floor in the center. Again, sunroof, 69,000 miles, and yes, clean Carfax, clean title all the way. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. We accept any types of trade-ins. We can help with financing, and we can ship anywhere in the world. So just let us know how we can help you. As you can see, this Honda is in excellent shape all the way around. Not much to say about it. No warning lights on. I believe it's 69,503 miles. Does have navigation with the big screen, push button start, keyless key fob. It does have the cool box feature, which is nice for drinks and snacks. Got your power outlets, auxiliary outlets, storage. It's just a very nice, clean van. Feel free to give us a call. Reach out to us anytime. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Look us up. Give us a like. Give us a follow. We're on all the platforms. This is what we do. Sell new and used vans. And we try to buy and sell the best vans we can find anywhere in the world. We search high and low to buy nice, clean vans, and we recon them, make sure that they are good to go for our customers. Beautiful 2016 Odyssey EXL. Tires are about 50% good in the front. The rears are about 70% good. There's a little bit of curb rash on this one wheel. Other than that, the condition around the van is super nice. Couple tiny little scratches in the back bumper, but nothing that really jumps out. All the other wheels are good. This van needs absolutely nothing. It's 100% ready to go. It does have the folding footrest there as well. And you'll see the wheelchair ramp. It does have a kneeling system as well. Everything is functioning and operating exactly the way it's supposed to. So, feel free to call us anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida, 954-561-2499. Stop by and see us. We have a big selection of handicap vans, new and used. All right, beautiful 2016 Honda Odyssey EXL. This one's gonna go quick. It's good price range, nice and ready to go. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken, Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Happy to help at any time. Again, we do accept trades and can ship to anywhere in the world. Thank you.